this Draymond, Charles Barkley, Austin Reeves drama in light of this humility conversation, because I watched it in real time when Draymond, he tried to get off this joke because Barkley was basically saying y'all too old to win championships. You're 37 years old, championships for young people. Like basically the dynasty's over.
And what Dre said,
he said, "I'm just right now. We just try not to look like Charles Barkley in the Houston Rockets jersey." And I think he thought that joke was going to get off, and everybody would laugh. Nobody laughed.
Not a soul.
It was awkward. It was awkward as fuck. And then
that's funny, but
it's funny.
It's funny if it's funny.
Why didn't nobody laugh?
That shit was.